Life's complicated, I know. The older we get, the less time we have for the people we call family. But hey, the best things happen unplanned.
Hello, good morning guys.
Spending time with them doesn't need to be grand.
3, 2,
Even a simple walk in the park or small phone conversations, it's the memories spent with them that stays and linger.
Ganda sa park ngayon. Sobrang busy kasi ng ating buhay minsan. Nakalimutan nating ano mo yun, mag-spend time sa mga loved ones mo, which is very important para sa akin at para sa inyo din. Susunod ulit. Susunod na
Sunod na
sa
takbo.
takbo prank.
Takbo lakad.
Takbo prank by yours truly. Bye bye.
I tried leaving. I tried to run away. I tried to justify the thought of moving on from you.
Wala tayong pera.